Good morning, Gallivanters.
Guten Morgen!
So we are coming to you from Vienna, and we're loving it here. Wish we had more time, regretting not giving ourselves more time. But we wanted to let you guys know what the plan was for today before we got started. We just finished our breakfast here at the hotel.
Which is great.
Yes, yeah, Hotel Royal. It is 100 meters from St. Stephen's.
Everything you can imagine is here.
Right in the center of everything. Yeah, it's been a wonderful place to stay.
Obviously, it's a little touristy, but
yeah,
awesome.
So today, what's the plan for today?
We are finishing the ring.
The ring tour on the Ho-Ho bus.
On the Ho-Ho bus.
Yep.
We are going to take a boat tour
on
the Danube.
Yes, a small one.
A small one.
Yep.
Yeah. We are going to ride on some of the historic trams.
Yes.
And we are also going to take a nighttime tour.
Yes. Which I think may be just the ring at night. But
yes, but still.
Should be pretty.
We love night shots.
We do. So, yeah, we're going to just kind of get out and explore. We've got a list of places we want to see. And so I think we'll just kind of play that by ear of exactly where we stop and what we see. Oh, we're going to go into St. Stephen's. We haven't done that yet. So We're going to go into St. Stephen's. We do know that.
And I'm sure we'll find some yummy food along the way.
Absolutely. So that is our plan for today. Hope you guys stick around and check it out. And we will see y'all around Vienna today.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, guys.
So we are currently on the Riverboat cruise.
Waiting for it to start. We finished the ring tour earlier today, and kind of sprinkling here and there on us. So we hope that we don't get rained out.
Of course, there are places to sit inside. So
yes.
Worst comes to worst.
Super excited to see what we can see from the riverboat.
Yeah, I mean, it's not the most attractive boat, but I guess as long as it gets us on the on the Danube, that's all that matters.
That's right. Hey y'all, so we did our boat cruise, and tip, don't do one here. They take you on the Danube for just a little bit, and then you go through the lock, which took like 30 minutes, maybe longer, and then you just go in the canal and you stop. Couldn't really see much. By the time, getting there, getting back in the cruise, we lost about 2 hours. So, just word of advice, tip, don't waste your time on the cruise. So, we have now decided to come for a very late lunch, early dinner.
So we are at Figlmueller again. We decided to come back because we weren't able to film Schnitzel.
There we go.
And so we're getting ready to order Schnitzel and some fried cheese.
And
some cabbage salad. And
fried potatoes.
And
cabbage.
We have the Schnitzel. Pork Schnitzel. We have the potatoes. We have fried cheese.
Which is served with tartar sauce, which is kind of interesting.
We have the cabbage salad.
So they say the best way to eat the schnitzel is just put a little lemon on it. I mean, you guys see how big this piece is, though? It's huge.
I think they can see it. So let's see.
Right, I'm going to try the cheese, and the tartar sauce is interesting, but we'll try it.
Might be hot.
Really good.
Look at the cheese in there. I'm not a big tartar sauce fan, but surprisingly,
you like the tartar sauce?
That tartar sauce really complements the cheese.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
So today was sort of a quagmire.
A cluster.
the buses were not as frequent for the line we had to get on to get to the boat, which was not worth it.
No.
At all. And then by the time we got off the boat and got back to where we wanted to get to see the church, the last tour had already started.
Yes.
So we missed that. Oh, we also missed the last tram, the sightseeing tram. Now, we could still maybe take one of the trams on our own, but we wouldn't get the information, although it just goes around the ring, which we've already done. We've shown you guys most of. So the last thing tonight is the night tour, and it starts at 8, and we're debating on that because it does just do the ring as well. We thought it went some other places. So we may walk around to get some night shots, or we may take the night tour. We're not sure yet, but yeah, we kind of screwed up today. Well, really, the whole thing is we didn't schedule enough time in Vienna. Hey guys.
Good morning, Gallivanting.
So we are at the Vienna airport on our way to Rome.
This is our second trip to Rome, but
Yes.
very, very excited because now we know where things are and we
Yes.
can kind of take our time.
Yeah, we've got a lot of places, but we obviously got a lot of the big ones out of the way on the first trip, so we got lots of places to eat
Yes.
and drink and be
Yes.
merry.
Yes. And I don't know what it is about you booking these early morning flights
I don't know.
because we are not morning people.
We're not. And our final thoughts on Vienna is you need to come here.
Yes,
You need
definitely.
to come. You need to visit. The people have been great. The city is beautiful.
But I would say allow at least
5 days
Yeah.
if you can.
5 to 7 days.
We certainly recommend Vienna. We loved it. We had a great time. We're already trying to figure out when we can get back here and, do a few more things that we didn't get a chance to do on this trip. If you like this video and you want to see more, please hit the like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you want to get notifications,
Hit the bell. Dingy dong.
we will also have this all written up on our blog at gallivantinggals.com. And until next time, remember,
Live your best life.
other than that, we will see you guys in Rome.
See you in Rome.
Bye, y'all.
See ya.